Hello everyone. Today I want to show you my brand new all-terrain tires that I got for my 2022 Rivian R1t. I got the Toyo open country 83 on the factory 22 wheels. The factory 22s are 275 50 22, and these are 285 50 22. They're a lot more aggressive, protects the rims. And I can use these for snowboarding trip. They are snow rated 285 50 22. Low range heat, mud and snow, and snow rated. These are my first set of all-terrain ever on any of my vehicle. The factory tires are really nice on road and also on snow, so these should be a lot more better. Since these are a little wider, I can feel the steering response a lot more than the factory ones. They are very, very quiet, surprisingly. I can probably hear more wind noise from the roof rack with the snowboard rack than the tires. So they're very, very quiet. Surprised. I heard a lot about how all-terrains are very noisy, but these are not at all. I drove back about 10 miles. Didn't see any range loss, but I'm expecting about probably 10 to 15% drop, which is not a problem. Let me know what you guys think. Again, these are Toyo Open Country 83 snow rated, low E, on the Rivian factory 22 wheels. All right, if you guys have any question, let me know.